Nagaraju. So guys, without wasting of time, we are starting the session. So as I already told you, this is a ultimate practice session for BARC, where SOM, TOM and MD will be covered. And then I told you this is some detail about me. Today's subject is SOM, TOM and MD. And then a small information for all of you that we are having a free workshop for those candidates who are preparing for GATE 24. You can share this with your juniors. This is a free workshop at 7:30 p.m. on 4th of April. So just share it with your friends or juniors, those who are looking for GATE 2024. Here step-by-step guidance will be provided that how to start with, how to move along during the journey, and how to end a successful journey. So guys, now we are coming up with the questions. This is the first question in front of you guys. So just start solving. This is from strength of material, and I hope everybody would got an idea that question is from SFDs, BMDs. So if you see, they have given you 4 diagrams which are bending moment diagrams, and this is the loading diagram given. So you just need to tell which out of the following diagram is correct. So just try to solve it. Yes, and don't worry, I am here to resolve your doubt. I will be solving for you once you try this. Yes, once you try this, then I will be solving for you as well. John Philip, actually this cannot be said. This cannot be said. It depends on various factors. It depends whether last year students will apply for MTech or not. Because last year's scenario was different, as last year PSUs came later. So maybe the MTech candidate definitely would have taken admission last year. So chances are less that last year people would be coming more. So we cannot say exactly actually for this thing. Okay. You asked the same question on Telegram. So these things, if someone is saying, it is just a kind of prediction. So we cannot say precisely that. So why you are worried about that? I feel you will get something good, and don't worry. Okay. Rather than thinking of these things, give your attention on the BARC preparation. It will give you one more thing to achieve. Okay. So what is the right answer for this question? Nagaraju, John Philip, try to solve this question. I want the right answer from your side, guys. Okay, iRolex is saying A is the correct option. Okay, very good, iRolex. I'm waiting for others to answer as well. So iRolex is saying the answer to be A. Okay, these are the BMDs. Okay, and loading diagram is given to you. First of all, my dear, you need to see one thing, that we are having a point moment of 2 kilonewton meter here. So because of that, it is sure that there will be a jump of 2. So you can see this jump is present in all the diagram. So based on this criteria, we cannot say any one of them to be wrong. Okay. You can say there is no other point moment, there is no other jump. In none of the diagram, any jump is there. So my dear, you know, first of all, you can find out the support reaction calculation. You can find out support reaction calculation using the, I will be telling you without calculation also, but first I am going with the conventional way. If you see this 2 kilonewton meter, because of which negative will be coming, so minus 2 divided by 6. And because of this 4, you will be having 4 into 2 divided by 6. So you can say the answer is going to be minus 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3. It is going to be 1. So if this is 1, it is going to be 3. So RB will be 3, RA will be 1. That is the answer we got. Okay. Now, my dear, you know one thing, that if we have a force here, then my dear, moment equation will be force into distance. It is going to be directly proportional to x. So obviously from A to, you can say from A to this point, the graph will be a straight line for sure. So my dear, you can see here it is straight line. It's great. Here it is parabola. So B is wrong. Okay. Here, if you see it is straight line, it's fine. So guys, here also straight line, it's fine. Then my dear, if you see there is no UDL is there. If UDL would be there, shear force will be inclined, bending moment would be parabola. So none of the part of this beam will be having a parabolic bending moment diagram. So that's why this is wrong, because here this is parabolic. This is wrong because here this is parabolic. We are left with these two diagrams only. And here this is already wrong because of this. So answer will be A only. So just by checking the parabola, you can directly answer it. Okay. Okay. Some suggestions are also coming. Free fire, very good. Sir, time limit में क्वेश्चन नहीं बन रहे हैं, सिर्फ 50-55 क्वेश्चन ही बन पा रहे हैं. I Rolex, if you are having good accuracy with that much questions, then it's fine. Because cutoff of BARC always going for 35 to 50% only. Okay. So just try to increase accuracy. And I feel the time is there. If you practice more and more, still you can go up to 60 question. If you are reaching to 60, 65, surely selection will be there. But try to increase the accuracy. That is more important here. Question number 2, guys. This is from, you can say, strain energy. If you see the question. An L-shaped bar of square cross-section shown B. And if the value of stress component sigma xx at point P0. Okay, this is not from strain energy. This is from the bending stresses. Okay, they are saying the stress in this fiber is 0. The stress in this fiber is 0. So my dear, they are saying sigma at P is going to be 0. For that, you need to find out the value of A in terms of B. You can see the options. Okay, so free fire, I Rolex, try to solve this question. John Philip, Nagaraju, try to solve this. Is a very good question. I will tell you how to solve it. This is a force. You will see the equivalent effect by applying one force outward, one force inward. This F and this F will create a moment like this. Then you can see this will be creating a compressive stress on P, and this force will be creating a tensile stress. So sigma axial will be coming out to be F divided by area. Area will be B ka square. This is going to be the tensile stresses. Then you will be having the bending stress, that is minus M upon ZNA. This is going to be compressive. Summation of these two at point P, you need to do it at 0. So you will write F by B square. What is the moment? Moment is minus F into A divided by ZNA is B cube. Okay, B cube by 6. I feel equate it to 0 will give you the answer. Solve it and get the answer. Okay. Aman is saying answer will be D. Free fire is saying B. So dear, when you will be solving this, FF will get cancel out, B square will get cancel out. You will directly get A as B by 6. So Aman's answer is correct. D is the right answer for this. I hope everyone got the right answer. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. Please tell me got it or not. So this was the question. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Wonderful, guys. Moving further to question number 3. This is a taper bar. Taper bar, or I would say rather this is a taper bar or taper shaft it is. Because the taper shaft they have mentioned has a length of L and a radius of R at A and 2R at B. So radius is changing from R to 2R. You can say in L length the change of radius is 2R minus R. So if you are going to talk about at any section X, XX, so at that time you can definitely find out the diameter by writing this. Let us say here the radius is RXX. So you can write RXX as R1 plus R2 minus R1 bate L into X. This I am writing for your help, and they are saying if it is fixed at B and subjected to a torque T at free end, determine the angle of twist. You know that the diameter is not constant, radius is not constant. If radius would have been constant, theta would be directly TL by GJ. But you can see torque is constant throughout the length, but radius is not. So that is why J is a variable. So we will be taking a section of dx length at a section of x, and we will write d theta ka integration will give us theta, and that is integration of 0 to L txx dx upon, it is going to be gjxx. Obviously G is going to be a constant, so you need to just put the value of J now, and you can write what is J. J is generally defined as pi by 32 d ki power 4, but d will become 2 times of r, so pi by 32 2 times of r ki power 4, 2 ki power 4 will be 16, so pi by 2 r ki power 4. So Jxx will become Rxx. Just put this value here. Okay. And you will be getting the answer by doing that. I hope everybody got it. X is the variable. You will get the theta value. Single word facts. Very good. Wonderful, guys. So try to solve this question now. I hope everyone will be giving the right answer for this. This is a very good question. It is using the concept of shaft, torsion, angle of twist calculations. So we are covering in this session 3 subjects. This is from strength of material. We will be having from theory of machines and from machine design also. So guys, I feel your exam is very near now. Do you want us to come for a mock test on BARC? If you want, we are planning for it. Yes. Aman, iRolex, Free Fire, single word facts. Fine. Try to solve it. Try to solve it. Question number 3 it is. This is a very good one. Okay, Aman. What about others? Anyone who tried this and get the answer? You can see R2 minus R1 is 2R minus R bate L. 2R minus R will be R. So R plus Rx by L. Yes, just put the values and get the answers. So theta needs to be calculated. 0 to L, Txx, dx, G, what is J? Pi by 2, Rxx की power 4, R plus Rx by L की power 4. That is what you need to solve. Solve it and get the answer. Yes, Nagaraju, Free Fire, iRolex, single word fact. All are coming with different names. I feel you guys believe in work hard in silence and let the success make the noise. है ना, किसी को पता नहीं लगना चाहिए कौन है हम. That's great. But result आने के बाद जरूर बता देना. Yes. Great, great, great. Solve it, guys. So when you will solve it, you can see pi by 2. This is the case. Anybody? Shall I tell you the answer? The answer for this will be coming out to be 7TL by 12 pi R4G. So the answer will be coming out to be A for this. If you are making some mistake, I would like to tell you here, you will be just taking this in the numerator, and after that you will be going for an integration. After going for integration, you will put the value and you will get this answer. So answer will be A for this. Okay, very good guys. Moving to the next question. This is from theory of machines. Topic is flywheel. Topic is flywheel. And I hope everyone will be giving the right answer here. Dear, that's why some questions are coming of that level. That is why the cutoff of BARC is going lesser generally. Some questions are like that. So giving you the feeling of the paper here. Next question. T is given to us. You need to find out what? The power developed. So for that, you already are given the mean speed. Power is nothing but it is mean torque into mean speed. But for that, you need to find out mean torque. Mean torque will be 1 upon, you can see the time period will be pi. 1 by pi 0 to pi t d theta. How it is pi? Because 2 theta. Time period is pi here. So overall also pi here. So you will be able to find out the mean torque from here. Once you will get mean torque, you will get the power. And after that, you know, torque is I into alpha. You need to find out the value of alpha. Okay, these two calculations are required here. Flywheel question. Solve it, guys. Solve it and get the answer. Solve this and get the answer. Everyone. So we have equally divided the question in SOM, TOM and MD. For production, we have already taken a special practice session. And after that, we will just come up with one mock test before exam. Less sessions, quality sessions, because you need some time for your revisions also. That plays a very important role. Solve it. Aman, look, when we have sine 2 theta and cos 2 theta. So 2 pi is the time period for sine theta. 2 pi is the time period for cos theta. But here we have 2 theta. So whenever you have sine n theta, then time period will be 2 pi by m. And both individuals have time period of pi. So we will be having overall also pi. Because how we find out? If we have here pi by 1, here pi by 1. Then numerator का LCM by denominator का HCF. So LCM of pi and pi will be pi. HCF of 1 and 1 is 1. So answer will be pi by 1. Dear, I feel when you will solve it, I have also solved it for you. You will be getting the power to be 377 kilowatt. After solving, you will get power to be 377 kilowatt. Okay, mean torque is 20,000. That's correct. Mean torque is 20,000. ओके, पाई के साथ आंसर मैच नहीं कर रहा या 2 पाई के साथ नहीं कर रहा? यस, पाई के साथ नहीं कर रहा या 2 पाई के साथ नहीं कर रहा? तो what I have found out is this is the power, and when you will use the torque, then alpha will be coming out to be what? Alpha will be coming out to be around 3. So according to me, the answer should be B for this. Okay, free fire, that's fine. Are you getting 37773? Okay, this is in watts. Actually, if you see, this is Newton meter. So if this is Newton meter is joule. Okay. This is joule. So when you will be finding out 0 to pi, I feel it should be I into alpha. I feel this should be in kilowatts only, na? They have also given the crank position 45 degree. So angular acceleration, the power developed by the engine and angular acceleration at the instant when crank had turned 45 degree. So you need to find out alpha value when theta is 45 degree. Okay. Aman, are you also getting the same answer? T mean is correct. T mean will be coming out to be the same. 20,000 pi. Then you need to find out the power. And they have given you mean speed. This is 180 RPM. So 20,000 pi into 2 pi this. Yes? Is it clear? Everybody got it now? Yes. Moment of inertia is also given to us. Have you put it correctly? 180 RPM. This is not radians. This is RPM. So 2 pi n by 60 will be the omega. This will be omega mean. This is T mean. अरे भाई कुछ तो बोलो. फ्री फायर, अमन, सिंगल वर्ड फैक्ट, आइरोलेक्स. Anybody? हाँ. Aman, you have also done the same mistakes. When you will be putting this, I feel the answer will be coming out to be 377 kilowatts. And then you know that T is I into alpha. And here you need to use this equation. 20,000 plus 9,500 sine 2 into 45 minus 5,700 cos 2 into 45. And then you need to equate it with the I into alpha. Then you will be getting the value of alpha. Is it clear? Because they have asked the value of alpha at 45 degree. So I feel now you guys got the answer. They have asked you the moment of inertia is given, power developed by the engine and the angular acceleration at the instant when the crank is 45 degree through the inner dead center. Yes, very good. So answer will be, my dear, B for this, which is correct. I have done the calculations for you already. Answer will be B for this. So you can see how we have done. Once again, I am telling you, those who have not get the right answer, first of all, you will be using T mean. T mean formula will be this, because 2 theta and 2 theta ka time period will be, 2 pi by 2. It will be pi. So then you will be getting the value of T mean here. After getting T mean, you will multiply it with the omega mean. N mean was given to us and you will get the value 377 kilowatts. After that, we will go for T is equals to I alpha. Then, my dear, you already know the value of I is given to us. This is the value of torque and they have asked it at theta 45 degree. So we have found out the value of alpha and the answer we got is B, 377 kilowatts and 3 radians per second square. Moving further to the vibration constants. Vibration is one of the most important topic. So here you need to find out the critical damping coefficient. Critical damping coefficient is given as 2 root Sm. Here S is the stiffness, M is the mass, but this is defined for a spring mass system. Here this is not a spring mass system. So you need to derive the governing equation. Kalpesh, hello dear, how are you? कैसे हैं आप? Okay, HPCL का भी result आया है. Some of our student got there. So because of this mass, it will go down. Torque method will be used. So this is the static deflection of mass, but that will not be applicable. Okay, so but you know that this distance, if this angle is theta, then this is a plus a plus a, 3a into theta. Then this spring will come down by 2a into theta. This damper will come down by a into theta. First restoring torque will be there because of spring, k into 2a ka square into theta. Damping forces, c a ka square into theta dot. D'Alembert principle, I theta double dot m r square is 3a ka square theta double dot. Okay, so equate them equals to 0, you will get the governing equation. Vineet, good evening dear. Okay, Aman have given the answer to be B. So equation will come 9 ma square theta double dot plus c a square theta dot plus it is 4 a square theta barabar 0. Here a square will go away and you will be getting the equation to be theta double dot 9m theta double dot plus c theta dot plus 4k also will come theta barabar 0. This equation will be compared by mx double dot plus cx dot plus sx barabar 0. So from that, when you will find out critical damping coefficient, 2 root sm, s will be 4k, m will be 9m, 9 4 36, 36 ka square root 6, answer will be 12 mk to the power 1 by 2. A will be the right answer. A will be the right answer. Is it clear? Everybody got your mistakes? A will be the right answer. Aman, Free Fire, Vineet, Kalpesh, very good. Everybody got it? Yes. Moving to the next question from gyroscope. 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 I hope everybody will give the right answer for this, because the gyroscopic couple is given as I omega omega p. Solve it and get the answer. I have given you the hint already. They have mentioned the engine and propeller shaft of an aeroplane weighs 5 kilonewton. So you know mass is weight bate g. You will get mass from here. Radius of gyration is k, 50 centimeters. From that you can find out I as mk square. The propeller rotates at omega will be 2 pi n by 60. And what is Vp? Vp is 240 kilometers per hour. First of all, 240 kilometers per hour. Convert it into meter per second. 240 into 10 to the power 3. Now it is meters, 3600. Now it is meter per second. And now you know when you will find out omega p, it is Vp by R. Solving this, you can find out the answer. Yes. Kalpesh, are you giving the answer for this? Are you saying B is the answer? Kalpesh is saying answer will be B for this. What about others? Roshan is also saying the answer to be B. Roshan is also saying the answer to be B. Free Fire also saying the answer to be B. Very good. So answer for this is B. You will be getting the gyroscopic couple as 26,700.398 Newton meter. Very good. B is the right answer. Wonderful, guys. Moving further. Now we will move on to the question number 7. And I feel now we are starting with machine design. This is question from brake. You need to find out the braking torque, which is mu and R. Braking torque is given by mu and R. Very good, I Rolex, Vineet, Roshan, Free Fire. Try to solve this now. They have already mentioned that this center and they are at the same level. Okay. So as you can see for the drum, it is rotating like this. So normal reaction will be coming here. Friction will be coming here. And mu n. As a reaction, you will make them n like this and mu n like this. Just take summation moment about O to be 0 and you will get the value of n. After that, find out the braking torque. I hope everyone will give the right answer for this question from machine design. Next question will be from fatigue loading. And then we will have the last question on the cubic mean load. अमन, क्या गलती हो गई बताओ? मैंने तो आंसर बताया है, वो भी आप लोगों ने ही बताया. मैंने तो जस्ट वैल्यूज बताई थी लास्ट क्वेश्चन में. नहीं, वाइब्रेशन का गलत सोल्व नहीं किया है भाई. डिटरमिन द क्रिटिकल डैम्पिंग कोएफिशिएंट दे आस्क्ड. तो अगर आप स्प्रिंग मास सिस्टम की बात करते हो तो उसमें होता है 2 रूट SM. और यहां पर मुझे इक्वेशन बनानी पड़ेगी. जब इक्वेशन बनाई तो यहां पे S की जगह ये आया था और M की जगह ये आया था. तो आई जस्ट केप्ट द वैल्यू एंड गेट द आंसर. तो इज इट क्लियर? बिल्कुल. ओके, आप चेक करिए अमन, शायद कुछ मिसकॉन्सेप्शन रहा होगा. फिर भी आपको लगे तो आप मुझे बताइए कहाँ गलती है. आई एम ऑल्सो ह्यूमन बीइंग, गलती किसी से भी हो सकती है, बट हाँ कॉन्सेप्चुअली नहीं होनी चाहिए. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? ओके, इसका आंसर बताया किसी ने अभी तक? एनीबडी द आंसर फॉर दिस? ओके, I Rolex and Kalpesh, are you betting on A for this? First of all, take moment. You know that moment of this 2 kilonewton will be anti-clockwise. So minus 2000 into 800.8. Then N will be creating clockwise. Then mu N will be creating anti-clockwise. You will get the value of N. Putting it here, you will get A will be the right answer. Very good. I Rolex, Free Fire, Beneath, everyone. ठीक है? Very good. So guys, now we are coming up with the next question. नहीं, अमन, बार्क में सिर्फ MCQ होते हैं और यही कारण है कि मैं आपके पास सारे MCQ ही लेके आया हूं. अगर होते तो मैं फिर लेके आता MSQ और NAT सब. Solve this question. This is from fatigue loading. They have given you the stress concentration factor. Okay. So what the question is saying? A rectangular stepped steel bar is shown in the figure. The bar is loaded in bending. If ultimate stress of the material is 689 MPa, the fatigue stress concentration factor is. Take stress, okay, KT is 1.7, Q is 0.88. You need to find out KF. I feel everybody is aware that it is KF minus 1, KT minus 1. Very easy question. Solve it. This is from fatigue loading. After that, we are coming up with the last question on the cubic mean load. So guys, do like and share the session. Aman, only MCQ will be there, na? BARC will ask only MCQ. Only MCQs. Okay. Aman, tell me which option is correct. ये तो मुझे भी पता है. Okay. So I Rolex, Free Fire. Everyone is saying A. Is it correct? Will we get KF as? Yes. A will be the right answer. Moving guys to the last question for this session, and that is a nice question on cubic mean load. A ball bearing is subjected to a cyclic loading condition of 2000 Newton for the first 5 revolutions and 1000 Newton for the next 10 revolutions. So you can see the load 1, 2000 Newton. Revolution 1, 5. Load 2, 1000 Newton. Revolution 2, 15. So, first of all, we need to find out the... Okay, no issues, Aman. Then it's fine. Then I would say salute to your dedication. In train, you are solving it. So, I was not aware of that. It is N1 PE1, N2 PE2. Okay, this will give you the cubic mean load. Once you get this, you will get the value of C. Solve it, guys. Last question for this session. Last question for this session. Yes. Try to solve it, guys. हाँ भाई, कल्पेश, फ्री फायर, आई रोलेक्स, अमन, विनीत, जोन, नागाराजू, एनीवन? Okay, when you will solve it, guys, you will be getting the answer to be first find out this, then find out this. So we need to answer dynamic load capacity, which is also known as catalog rating. Very good. A is the right answer. 4368 is the right answer. वंडरफुल डियर, बहुत ही बढ़िया. So guys, this was the ultimate practice session on SOM, TOM and MD. Now I feel your exam is very near. So I would like to suggest you, first of all, do as per the pattern, as much revisions are possible. जितनी ज़्यादा रिवीजन हो उसके उतनी ज़्यादा रिवीजन करिए, और जहाँ पर वीक एरियाज है उस पर थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए. दिस इज नॉट द टाइम कि मैं कहूँ कि कोई नया टॉपिक पढ़ो. So whatever you have studied, just now collect it so that in the BARC you shall not do the same mistake which you have done in the GATE exam. And I hope you guys will do good in the BARC exam and will get select. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me on my Telegram channel, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. The PDF of this session will be available on the same Telegram channel. So don't worry about that. So goodbye guys for this wonderful session. And if you or any juniors of yours are preparing for GATE 24, you can definitely suggest them to join our Ground Zero series and the free app series where they can get benefit. The workshop which we are having on Tuesday, 4th April, 7:30 p.m. on the app, that is also free. Scholarship tests are going on every month. You can give and get the scholarship up to 90% on GATE and ESC programs. So goodbye guys for this session. Thanks for watching.